Today we are going to learn about the skeletal system. There are several different types of bones given in the skeletal system. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the rib cage and limb bone. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the rib cage and limb bone. Rib cage. What is rib cage? It is a structure that is formed with the help of bones. There are total 12 ribs that forms a rib cage. There are total 12 ribs that forms a rib cage. Anyone know the meaning of cage? Yes, Anurag, tell me. Pinjra, yes. The meaning of rib cage is a structure that is formed with the help of bones and it look like a cage. Anurag, sit down. So, as you see, there is an skeletal system in front of all of you. This part is known as rib cage. This part is known as rib cage. You all see that all the bones starting from the backbone are jointing in front bone. This front bone is known as very good. This front bone is known as sternum. And all these ribs are jointing at the back with the backbone. But class, you observe that there are two bones that are not jointing with the sternum. There are two bones that are not jointing with the sternum. That's why these two ribs are known as floating bones. Yes, these two ribs are known as floating bones or floating ribs Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
So next is limb bone. There are 4 limb bones in our body, 2 in our hand and 2 in our leg. The limb bone that are in our hand are known as forelimbs. This is forelimbs. In forelimbs there is arm and fingers. There is arms and fingers. And the bones that are forming our legs are known as hind limbs. Hind limbs. Yes, in hind limbs there is bones that is leg and feet. There is feet also. And you all know and get surprised that the longest bone in our body is also present in the hind limb. Yes, Vinayak, tell me the name of longest bone.
Femur.
Femur. Very good. Clap for Vinayak.